Dauphin Creek Realty and Associates has been serving the greater Mobile area since 2016. Our team has over 20 years of combined experience. Dauphin Creek Realty and Associates was voted the top 5 entrepreneur in November 2017 at the Grind Awakening Small Business Gala, and in May 2020 we were voted Small Business of the Month by the Mobile Area Chamber of Commerce. We donate annually to St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital, a charity that is near and dear to our hearts. If you are ready to purchase your next home or ready to sell your current home, contact us today. Dauphin Creek Realty and Associates committed to our community and helping individuals fulfill their dreams of home ownership. Schedule your appointment today.